So here is the another question relating to sales budget. Chandram Brothers sells two products which are manufactured in one plant. Okay. During the year 1982, it plans to sell the following in quantity of each product. Sales estimation in units. Product 1, quarter 1, quarter 2, okay, quarter 3, quarter 4, total. So quarter wise information they gave as well as product wise. So we have to see the things in the same way. Okay, product 1 90,000, 2,30,000, 85,000 and 75,000. Product 1 again in quarter 3 3 lakhs, in quarter 4 80,000. Total product 1 sales are 7 lakh in units. Then product 2 in quarter 3 55,000, in quarter 4 85,000. Total 3 lakhs. This is the normally they have budgeted for 1982. Each of these two products is sold on seasonal basis. These are seasonal products they are saying. Okay. Product 1 tend to sell better in summer months, while product 2 sells better in the winter months. Okay. Seasonal products, so they are saying in product 1 will be sold in the summer season and product 2 will be sold better in the winter season. Chandra Brothers plan to sell the product 1 throughout the year at a price of 10 rupees and product 2 at a price of 20 per unit. A study of the past experience reveals Chandra Brothers have lost about 3% of its billed revenue because of returns, consisting a 2% loss of revenue. Okay. Total how much loss they are having? 3%. Out of that 2% is loss. Okay. And allowance and bad debts 1%. Because of returns there is a loss of 2%, and because of bad debts it is 1%. Prepare a budget incorporating the above given information. Previously in the last question what happened? There is an increase in sales, but here there is a decrease in sales. Okay, very simple question. There is we need to take quarter wise and product wise. First we will take product wise, then we will take the product 1 first, then we will take the product 2. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 and total 4 columns will be there, and 1 column, particular column. 4 quarters. Okay, 1 total column, total 6 columns we need, 1 particular and 4 quarters plus 1 total column. Product 1, later we will do product 2. Okay. If we want we can eliminate the zeros and we can do it easily, right? So while telling me, you eliminate 3 zeros and tell me the values. Shall we do it on the board? Hello? Now you can see the screen. So statement showing sales budget of Chandra Brothers of how many products they are having? Two products. Two products. 1 and 2. Product 1 and 2. For the year 1982. That's it. 1982 only. So let us take the total. One total column. This is quarter 4. This is quarter 3, 2. Here I'll take 1. So particulars. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, total. Values in units, rupees. First, product 1, 90,000. A, right? A, product 1, budgeted sales in units. So now you tell me units, 3 zeros omitted. Okay. How much? Product 1, quarter 1. 90,000. 90,000 at 90. 90. Next, 230. 230,000. Next, 300. 300. Next, 80. 80. Total 7 lakhs is given. 7 lakhs means 700. Right? These are the your estimated sales quarter wise. Selling price small a b. Selling price how much? For product 1, 10 rupees. Selling price in rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10. If you multiply, see sales in value. Okay, these are gross sales. Multiply with that 900, 2300, 3000, 800, 7000. Okay, all amounts are in thousands. Okay, sales in value in rupees thousands, 900,000 like that. Now, out of these, they say there is a loss due to returns as well as because of bad dates. There is a loss due to returns 2% and due to bad debts 1%, right? So less loss in sales due to returns 2%. So 900 into 2%,
18 rupees.
18,000. Then 46, 60, 16, 7 means 350. Oh, sorry, 140. 140. These are the loss. So I'll put it in bracket. There is a loss in the revenue. So that is why I'm putting in brackets. Next, there is another loss due to bad debts 1%. So 1% is how much? Half 900. 9, 23,
30.
10, 8. Okay.
8.
Then
70.
70. Total it 7,000 minus 140 minus 70. I have small doubt whether this 1% is on gross or
6,790.
answer. Where are you? See here, 1% loss we have taken on bad debts on the gross. Sometimes it may be taken on the after returns. That is 900 minus 18, where because whatever sales returns are there, okay, already sales return are done. From them only you will be having bad debts. So if that is the case, then we need to take on the net sales figure here in between. On the net sales we need to deduct. They didn't mention whether it is on gross or net. So I have taken here in this case gross. Let us see what happens. Next B. Achha, here total
873.
net sales
873.
net sales is how much? 900 minus 18 minus 9.
873.
873. Here
2231. 2231.
22
2231.
31. 2910.
2910.
Next we deduct 8. 800 means 700 and
776.
776. 78 776. Then inda 6 8
6790.
6790. These are the total net total sales after loss. Next we need to do for product 2. What is the product 2? Budgeted sales. If you don't want to write again, what you can do is you can further increase for the product 2 here. Okay, some more columns, but it will be very lengthy. It will be better if we draw here itself for product. Sales budget
85.
in units. Already we have how many units? 85. Next
75.
7. Only 75. Okay, then
55.
55,
85.
85 total.
300.
Okay. From this also we need to take again. Selling price is how much? 20 rupees. Selling price rupees 20 per unit. So 20 rupees 20 rupees 20 rupees 20 rupees 20
1700.
C. Sales in value. The 2 thousands we are taking. How much?
1700.
1700,
1500.
1500,
1100.
1100, 85 is 17,
6000.
6000. 85 into 20,
1700.
1700, 6000. From this we need to deduct D less loss in sales or revenue. Under that one, due to returns 2%. 2% of 700 will be 35.
34.
34. Okay.
30.
30. 22.
22.
34 again.
34.
Total 120. Next we need to deduct loss due to bad debts. 1%.
17.
17.
15.
15. 11. 17.
60.
60. अच्छा लास्ट is ఒకటి minus a first. 6000 minus 120 minus 60.
58. 5820.
8
58.
58
20.
20 and here total
6790.
for product 2 6790 total you add
Awesome. 12,610.
610 అక్కడ అంతే ఇచ్చింది. So let us deduct all 1700 minus 34 minus 17. ऑनलाइन वालों थोड़ा हेल्प करो.
16,1649.
Net sales of product 1 ABCD E we can say. Net sales of product to
1649.
1649,
1455.
1455.
1455,
10,069. Same first.
also 1649.
1200.
No. 5820. This is product wise. We have got net sales of product to net sales of product 1 EBIT. Now, if you add both E's, quarter wise total you will get as well as grand total you will get. Let us do that also. Just add these two values. That is here 873, 1649. Total budgeted sales. Okay,
2522.
2522. Next,
3706.
3706. Next,
Sir, that
3,000.
1069 is not there. 1067 आना.
67 are there.
7. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right, 7 है only. 2 and 3 is there, no? This one. Total, it will be 2910 plus 1067. 3977, right? Here 777 plus 1649.
2425. 2425.
Okay, 2425, and grand total will be 12610. These are the total budgeted sales in amounts of thousands. Okay, means 1,26,10,000 it will. Okay. Any doubt in this case? So if they give sales budget, it is only clerical work, nothing more than that. From budget and budgetary control, there will be one theory question, one problem. Okay, it may be relating to flexible budget, cash budget, or sales budget, because from last 2 batches he is giving one from sales budget. I'll send different other questions also to you for the practice purpose. You do practice them also of some other textbook. These 2 problems you people not having, so that is why I'm sending these 2. Remaining you are having in your different textbooks, you follow them, and in case of any doubt you can message me.